All right, we're on FSD beta 12.3. We have basically the entire roadway blocked up ahead. Looks like maybe some kind of crash. There's a tow truck trying to lift a car on the back of the flatbed. And we need to go straight. So let's see how FSD handles this one. Definitely a unique edge case here. Right, not getting over quite yet. Actually, I don't think there is anywhere we can get over. So the car is kind of, oh, hold on, the blinker's on. Looks like it's going around. Look at this. Oh, okay, I'm gonna take over there. Got a little confused. I think it would have made a left turn here. It definitely wasn't gonna go around that big rig. I think it would have made a left turn here, but it wasn't doing it very well. So, it looked like it was going to go into that curb for a second. So I took over. Not sure how it actually would have reacted, but fun experiment nonetheless. One of those unique edge cases that we'll need to figure out here.